Hey there, welcome back to my channel, Messes with Michelle. If you're returning, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Michelle. Today's video, I'm sharing with you a disaster bathroom clean with me. I haven't cleaned this bathroom for a period of time, and it's definitely starting to show. At first glance, you may not think it's too bad, but when you get down to the nitty-gritty, there's dust, there's grime, and I just need to get this back on track. Last year, I had shared a makeover for this bathroom, and I called it a blush botanical because I added florals and greenery and just added some pink pops of color, and it looked amazing. But now I can call this a dust botanical because it's just full of dust, and I just need to get back on track. So I'll show you the good, the bad, and the downright gross in this video. So if you want to see the end result, definitely keep on watching. So if you haven't already done so, I'd love for you to consider hitting that subscribe button, turn on your notifications if you like these types of videos, and let's jump in and get this bathroom back into shape. I was thinking about sharing a really quick DIY of these shelves. They're really rough and I need to sand them down and add a stain. When I have to dust these shelves, it is so hard because the dust just collects on the unfinished wood. So if you want to see that type of video, it should be pretty small, just a quick little DIY. Let me know down in the comments. Coming up in just a minute, I'm going to show you the inside of my toilet. I don't typically show you the inside of the toilet when I'm cleaning my bathroom, just something that I prefer that it doesn't need to be shown, but for this particular clean with me, it's such a disaster. I thought I'd show you the raw footage of what I'm dealing with. Sometimes you get off track and you kind of forget to do certain things around the house, and this was definitely one of the areas. So I need to get back on track, get the toilet cleaned out, and this is over a period of time which I kind of slacked off, so just beware. In a few minutes you're going to see the raw footage of what I am dealing with. It's not the worst, but it's definitely not my best. I'm just going to dust out the bathtub. We don't use this bathtub, so it's not dirty. I just need to take some of the dust out, so I'm just doing a light cleaning with a microfiber cloth really quickly. I'm using my Dirt Devil Versus Steam. I've had this cleaning tool for a number of years, and I really like using steam, especially in the bathroom, because it does help sanitize. But the one thing to remember if you are an owner of a steamer, to read the manufacturer's instructions, because there is a certain amount of time that the steam has to penetrate the surface to sanitize the area. But just having the steam in the bathroom makes it feel a lot cleaner. I always feel great when I clean my bathroom. It feels fresh, it feels clean, and just to add another little extra something into the bathroom, I wanted to light my candle just to have a nice aroma in the space when it's nice and clean. And just in a minute, I'm going to show you the before and afters to show you exactly what we started with and where we ended. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope the after results were satisfying for you as they were for me. My Dust Botanical bathroom is now bounced back to its original Blush Botanical, and it only took about an hour, and I just used a few cleaning tools to make this bathroom bounce back. I hope this gave you some motivation if you have an area of your house that you have to clean, and I will see you in my next video when I upload next. Bye!